Hello everyone and welcome to another macro makeup tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this bronzed and glowing look using very few products. In fact, I have used these products in multiple ways so you're getting more value for your money. I'm also focusing on cruelty-free and vegan products in this tutorial. We will begin by priming our eyes. The method I use to prime my eyes involves using a long wear concealer and then setting the concealer with a translucent powder. This method helps to eliminate excess moisture, which will cause your eyeshadow to shift and crease. It will also conceal any veins and discoloration you may have on your eyelids. To add some definition to the eyes, we will be using a bronzer in our crease. Don't stress about making this too neat, as this look is very blended and easygoing. If you don't have a lot of lid space to work with, make sure you're looking straight into your mirror when applying this shade, as you'll be able to notice what will be seen and what won't be seen. To add some light to the eyes, we will now be applying a highlighter to our mobile lid with a shader brush. This doesn't need to be opaque, as again we're going for a more natural summery look. I've also added a touch of the darker bronzy shade highlighter to the outer corner of my eye to add a little bit more depth. I then took the lighter highlighter again and highlighted my brow bone. Now it's time to curl our lashes to prepare them for mascara. For this look we're really going for dark, voluminous lashes. This was my first time using this Essence mascara and I was really impressed by it. When you first pull the wand out to use it though, I would suggest first wiping the excess product off with a tissue. Now we're moving on to the skin. To start with, we're going to prime with a CC cream to help even out the complexion. If your skin is looking great, feel free to move on after this step without the foundation. Mine isn't looking so flash at the moment, so I'm going to go with a little bit more coverage than usual. Next for me is foundation. I'm going to pop some on a palette and dot it around my face. Then we're going to bounce that in with a damp beauty blender. Work in thin layers so you can add more coverage wherever you may need it. I'm then going back in with my concealer on any blemishes that may be showing through. For a more pigmented coverage, allow your concealer to set for a moment before blending it out. This will cause the emollients in the concealer to either dissipate or sink into the skin, leaving the pigment behind. I'm also using this concealer under my eyes. I don't have a lot of discoloration there, so I'm not using too much before blending it in with a damp beauty blender. Once I've blended the concealer out under my eyes, it's time to lightly blend out the concealer on my blemishes. I'm then going in with a cream highlighter. I want to focus on cruelty-free and vegan products in this video, and the foundation I used fit that bill, but it did leave me looking a little too matte for the look I was going for. I'm adding the glow back in with this cream highlighter. I find the best way to apply it is with your fingers. I'm focusing this product on the high points of my face that would naturally catch the light: my cheekbones, my nose bridge, my cupid's bow, and the center of my forehead. And here's my cat Maggie making her cameo in this video. To add a little bit of colour to my cheeks, I'm going in with a cream blush. The reason I chose a cream over a powder is due to the fact that I wanted to keep this look quite dewy. I kept the blush to a minimum though, as I really wanted to focus to be on my bronzed skin rather than my flushed skin. If I were to wear this look out this summer, I'll no doubt end up with a natural flush anyway. I'm now going to set the concealer under my eyes with a translucent powder. I'm also going to powder a few select areas around my face, as they tend to get a bit shiny and not in a nice glowy way. I'm also about to go in with a powder bronzer, which means I need to powder first in order to ensure a smooth finish. Now it's time to bronze. The bronzer I'm using is actually a blush, but it's perfect for my pale skin tone. Spend some time trying out different bronzers to find the right one for you. You want to look sun-kissed and glowing. I'm using a soft fluffy brush for this bronzer, as I don't want to apply it too heavy. I'm focusing the bronzer on the parts of my face that would naturally tan first: my forehead, the ridge of my nose, and the tops of my cheeks. I'm also bringing it down my jaw and neck for a cohesive look. It's time to bring back the highlighters. Using a fan brush, I'm applying the lightest highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones. As we've already got a cream highlighter in this area, the powder product will adhere better and provide a stronger glow. I'm now going to take the bronzy highlighter and apply it to my lower lash line with a small blending brush to tie the eye look together. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I did my brows off camera, so now it's time for the lips. To keep this look simple, I'm going to be using just a lip liner and a lip balm. I chose to use a nude lip liner for this. I first lined my lips and then filled them in with the lip liner. This will give you quite a long-lasting lip colour. I then applied a pawpaw ointment over the top for moisture and a glossy finish. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you try this look out, I would love to see photos of it. All of the links to my socials can be found in the description box below, as well as a full list of products used in this video. Please subscribe if you liked this video and give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. Until next time, bye!